Introduction to Linking Notes in Obsidian.
Unlock the power of connected thinking by linking your notes in Obsidian. Linking notes helps you organize information, find connections, and discover new ideas more easily. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create links and backlinks, turning your notes into a smart, interconnected knowledge system.
Creating basic links between notes.
To link notes in Obsidian, type double square brackets, then start typing the name of another note. For example, entering Project Ideas will connect to the note named Project Ideas. When you click this link, you'll jump straight to that note, making navigation between related information fast and simple.
Using backlinks to discover connections.
Backlinks show you which notes are linked to your current note. In Obsidian, the Backlinks pane automatically updates to reveal these connections. This feature helps you spot patterns or related ideas, offering new ways to organize and discover knowledge within your vault.
Linking to specific sections with internal links.
You can link not only to entire notes, but also directly to headings or sections. Just type Note Name Heading to create a link straight to a section. This lets you create a detailed map of information, making it easier to reference and access specific topics quickly.
Best practices for powerful knowledge management.
To get the most out of linking, use clear note titles and meaningful section headings. Regularly review your backlinks to maintain connections and update links as your vault grows. Combining linking, tagging, and thoughtful organization turns Obsidian into a personalized, powerful knowledge management tool.